Bambi's Journey, a tale of friendship, resilience, and embracing nature's circle of life. Once in the heart of a beautiful forest, a young and curious deer named Bambi was born, surrounded by loving and caring animal friends. As he grew, Bambi encountered the wonders of nature, from playful butterflies to the wise owl, Friend Owl, who taught him important life lessons. One day, tragedy struck when Bambi's mother was tragically taken by hunters. Heartbroken and feeling lost, Bambi found comfort in the company of Thumper, a cheerful rabbit, and Flower, a bashful skunk. Together, they embraced the beauty and challenges of the forest, learning the art of survival and resilience. As the seasons changed, Bambi grew into a majestic stag and fell in love with a kind doe named Faline. Their love blossomed, and they looked forward to building a life together. However, the arrival of man, the hunters, threatened the peace of the forest. Bambi faced his greatest challenge yet as he had to protect his friends and loved ones from the dangers posed by human encroachment. In the face of adversity, Bambi embraced his destiny as the prince of the forest, standing tall as a symbol of courage and hope. With the guidance of his father, the great prince of the forest, Bambi learned the importance of leadership and protecting the balance of nature. Through trials and tribulations, Bambi and his friends realized the significance of friendship, unity, and the circle of life in the forest. They understood that every living being had a role to play, and each life was interconnected. In the end, Bambi embraced his responsibilities as the protector of the forest, ensuring the safety and harmony of all its inhabitants. With the support of his friends and the wisdom of his father, Bambi learned the profound lesson of embracing nature's circle of life and the beauty of the wilderness.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.